Hi parents, is it very difficult for you to control your kids from their mobile addiction? All the day are they using their phones? Wait. Don't become wild. I'm going to give you some ideas so that they'll keep themselves away from the mobile addiction. Okay, point number one. Uh, See, first we have to understand the kid psychology. They don't see the word not. When you say don't use phone, you are giving an instruction, use the phone. Okay, so when you're in your childhood itself, when your parents ask you not to see something, we used to tend to see those objects. So your kids no exception. So moment when you say don't see the phone, don't use the phone, definitely it triggers them to catch the phone. So avoid using this word. Instead of that, you say you instruct them what they are supposed to do. Hey, read, you have exams tomorrow, complete your record notebook, etc. etc. Hope this point you have understood the first point. Second point, uh, kids they don't listen to their elders. Today's Gen X kids they don't listen to their elders. They follow what the elders are doing. So if you are a mobile addict, definitely your kid also will be a mobile addict. So in front of the kids, don't use your phone. Instead of that, take a book, read it. They will also follow you. Uh, Idea number three is give some assignments for them. For example, you complete third chapter of the science book, or you complete the fifth lesson in the geography lesson. Then you can. I'll give you phone for 10 minutes. So giving a phone should be the incentive for them. So if you inculcate this habit, they will accomplish something, and to enjoy their incentive, they will come to you for the phone. Another thing, you can give some conditions. Okay, so I'll give you my phone for you to watch my mobile, but one condition: if you lie down and see the phone, I'll snatch you the phone. That is condition number one. Or ask them to hold the phone like this. If they hold their elbows, hold the phone, snatch the phone from them. So these ideas definitely will help you to get rid of mobile phones of your kids. Hope you find it very this video very informative and useful. And please don't show this video to your kids.